There you go. There's some eye candy. Dean with I Buy Cool Stuff. Showing you some of my gun collection. So down here, these here are my two primary carry guns when I carry. That there's a Star Model B in 9mm, which is the same as a Colt 1911. And that there's a Smith & Wesson in 38 Special Snub Nose. And my collection is wide and varied. That's a 25 automatic Colt. There's a broom handle Mauser. There's a World War II. There's a Colt World War I 1911. There is a Serbu 50 caliber BMG bolt action. High point 9mm. This here's my primary hunting gun that I go hunting with for upland birds and anything I want. Did a lot of duck hunting in the day and sporting clays and whatnot. This is my fully automatic 45 ACP Rising Model 50. This is an AR-7 in a factory wooden stock, Armalite AR-7. And they use that in a lot of movies and stuff. So we're going to do a full video on them. Go and watch it. My gun collection's all over the place. Like, comment, and subscribe. That's an 1862 Springfield. And that's a jungle carbine. And as you've seen lots of my other stuff I've done my videos on, I've got dozens and dozens of videos. I've got all kinds of stuff. So like, comment, subscribe, and I hope you build your gun collection some more too. God bless you. God bless America.